All right, good morning, guys. It is 6:30 in the morning. I woke up early. It's like Christmas morning. I was real excited. I wanted to check out my new ledge in the rain. How exciting is this? All right, let's get back inside. All right, so I'm going to start on this side right here. This leads into my lumber entrance. And so as you can see right here on this side, I've got these rocks. I kind of just place those there for fun. But we do have a nice concrete ledge going on into the workshop. In the lumber room, we'll step inside. It's just solid dirt. So no concrete floor here. It's just dirt that comes on out to the earth. One thing I would like to do is get some sort of ledge put in right there. Okay, so I've got this random steel beam, and I think it's a pretty good fit right here. So if I were just to, okay, so something like that. I've got a pile of gravel, so I'm gonna lay down some gravel. Keeping on. And just dump. I honestly think this is a good start. So here's how we're looking on the back side. I tried to get these rocks kind of just leveled with the ground on the inside. And so my game plan, now that I've got a step, I've got these bricks right here. So what I'm gonna do is lay these bricks right here just to create a wall so these rocks can't push through onto the other side. All right, so I got more bricks here. I'm just gonna keep on laying them down. There you go. And so just so you guys have an idea on where I'm getting these bricks, bringing them right over to the barn right there, but they're just buried right next to this big oak tree. You can see the divots where I've kind of already got the bricks out of the ground. But this is what I'm doing. I'm just pulling these bricks. Who knows how old they are? I think there's something beautiful about repurposing something that, you know, could be 100-something years old, buried in the ground. Now it's getting repurposed into some steps and a ledge, and it's going to be very appreciated. So, from the dirt and forgotten to an appreciated step. Come on, girl. Watch out. Dirt in my eye. You're getting there. Hey, little boo-boos. Sweet little precious. Oh, it's the little boo-boos. The little precious girl. Okay, so I watered it down, sprayed it down with a little mist, just to compact that dirt in there. All right, so I'm just gonna add some pieces. These are all going horizontal. I'm gonna add some vertical pieces. I think just when we're stepping on the edge here, it's just gonna help them keep in place better. And the big thing I'm dealing with is a lot of these bricks have concrete stuck on them. So I'm trying my best here just to get this to be as level as possible. This one right here, I'm probably going to use this as an edge piece just since there's a little wall built in. So I'll probably throw this on the, whatever side that is. Yeah, so we're just laying bricks and just trying to kind of puzzle piece. This whole thing is kind of just like a big puzzle piece. That's how I'm trying to make it fun. Get everything nice and level and kind of just, you know, nice and straight. Trying to keep it as pretty as we can. Alright guys, I'm going to call it for today. I'm liking this. I like the straight edges going out. I don't know why I didn't think of that earlier. You know, because when I step on here, if I step on the ledge, it would probably just rip the brick out. So now, right here, the brick has more, whatever, space, whatever. So it is getting a little cloudy, gray skies up there. It's looking like the rain is coming. Hopefully. My fingers crossed that we get rain. All right, good morning, guys. It is 6:30 in the morning. I woke up early. It's like Christmas morning. I was real excited. I wanted to check out my new ledge in the rain. How exciting is this? So I'm gonna flip this camera around. All right, so we're gonna step out into the weather. We're gonna get a look at this guy. We're gonna let it get beat up by the weather, by this rain. We're just gonna let it get tested. We can see right there, there's a nice line of that brick red. So right above us, we have the awning for the roof. And so that water is just dropping straight down. You can see the white on the rock right there. So that line right there, that's gonna be the cleanest part. This is it, guys. All right, let's get back inside.